Listen for the clip. Sometimes when you're working, doing some things on the computer, you might need to unhide some files, and if you need to unhide some files on a Mac, hopefully that's why you've turned up here. There's different ways of doing this. The old way used to be you would come into here, into the terminal. Nothing to do with Pi at Raspberry Pi, that's just something else. But you would come into the terminal, and some things that you need this for, you would never really need any knowledge of what the terminal's for or how to use it. So it can be a bit daunting for someone who's never used the command line before but still needs to unhide hidden files. And it's also useful if you wanted to be a bit covert about something, let's say. So in here just now you can see that there's nothing, well, you can't see that there's nothing hidden because the files are actually hidden just now. But if you were able to see the hidden files, they would show up, but they would be a bit faint, as if they were like a ghost. And the old way of doing this is you come in here and you type defaults right com dot apple dot finder, not finger, finder apple. Now I'm typing like a fool here because the camera's right in front of there, so I can't really get my hands on the keyboard. Show all files, yes, and then you hit enter. So you've got there defaults right com.apple.finder Apple show all files, yes, and then you hit enter, and then as you can see, oh, nothing happens. So that's a bit like, well, not great. What you need to do now is you come in here, you press, is it control? I think it's control, and you right, no, it's not control, it's alt, yeah, alt, right? Right click on Finder, and then you can let go of that once you've pressed it, once you've right clicked it, and then press relaunch, and then the Finder window disappears, and then it comes back again, and look at all these files, and even some on the desktop have become unhidden. A little Advent thing there has become unhidden, so that's great. And then you've, oh, and also this one, I am hiding, so you could put something in there. Let's put this screenshot in there. The screenshot is also hiding now, and let's put this screenshot in there as well. So they've got these things in this lock2 drive folder, and we're viewing hidden files, right? But we don't want anyone to see these anymore. So come back in here, and it's not too bad. It's quite intuitive for how to undo this. Take away that yes and hit no. Type no, hit enter. But again, it's not so good because actually, look, they're still there. So what you need to do again, come in here, alt, right click on that, relaunch, and then when it comes back up, look, everything's hidden again. Where's your screenshots? Well, that one's still there. Well, that was foolish. Anyway, yeah, where's the screenshots? Don't see any. But you'll be glad you stuck around, because this arduous process of typing this stupid documents.write.com Apple Finder Apple show all files, yes, no, right click on the Finder, relaunch, completely unnecessary. Let's get rid of the terminal, get rid of that silly thing. No, I don't want to save that, get it deleted, right? Bring this to the middle, and then look at the keyboard now, right? If we're going to press Command Shift full stop, and watch what happens on the screen. There's your hidden files. How'd you hide them again? Command Shift full stop, they're away. That's magic. So Command Shift full stop. Oh look, Andy's got a I am hiding folder. Andy Fraser IT, I am hiding folder. What's the screenshot? Oh, it's from the clock video. Link to that up above. And I don't know what that screenshot is, so I'm not going to open it. Right, so that's it. In fact, oh, it's because my YouTube channel no longer meets the eligibility for requirements for monetization on YouTube. God damn you, YouTube. Get rid of that. Let's get rid of that's a depressing screenshot, so let's get rid of it post haste. Boom, it's gone. If you like that video, give it a thumbs up. If that's helped you to get your hidden files, give it a thumbs up. In the next video, probably, we're going to see how to make a folder hidden so that you can be covert about your goings on if you need to be. But remember, to get the hidden file back, simple as Command Shift full stop. There's your hidden files. Full stop, hide them again. Okay, thanks for watching. If you like the video, thumbs up, and not this, and subscribe please, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.